This is Kevin King with Pinehurst Websites, and I'm going to show you how to quickly create a product for your Shopify website. You want to go to the admin and then choose product on the left-hand side. And then on the top right-hand corner, you're going to see add a product. Just click the green button. You want to add a title is the first most important thing. You want it to be descriptive. The key word that you want to be able to be found, you want that to be included in the title. In this case, it's an air filter. So you want a very descriptive description as well. And this is called the rich text editor, where your description goes. You'll have the option to make things bold. It is very much like a word editor, and it allows you to insert images and other things into the description and do formatting. So we'll get into that at a later time. Your images for the product you want to be here. So let's go ahead and just add a file for the product. In other words, an image for your product. This is going to be the main image. And I'm going to add a secondary image as well. So you just click that add button, and then you can choose a secondary image. Okay, you want to go down and just create a price for your product. And then it's good to have a compare at price. Usually these are higher than the actual price, so it's going to show a compare at price, and then it's going to show your price on the product. If you want to put your cost in, it will calculate your margin. So let's just say that our cost was $40 or $49. It's going to show what the profit margin is, and that is without shipping, of course. So you want to add a SKU just because it makes it easier to track sometimes and do reorders. So you can run reports by SKU, and a barcode if you have it. You don't have to track inventory. If you can get an unlimited amount of this, you could choose to uncheck this box and not track inventory. And you can also choose to sell it even when it shows when it's out of stock. So I'm just going to put some inventory in on this one. This is a physical product. That means it requires shipping. If it was a digital product, it may require a download or something like that. Then this would not be checked. On the weight, if you use calculated shipping, we can get into that later, it will estimate what the shipping cost will be for the customer, so they can see based on their zip code what the estimated shipping is. So I'm just going to put in a weight here, and you can do it in pounds, ounces, kilograms, grams. If you want to select the region of the country or region or country for customs information, harmonize shipping codes. If you're shipping to multiple countries, you can do that. If you want to sell something with options, say for instance like a shirt that has sizes or colors, you can check this box and you can add those sizes and colors to the product as well. This is what it's going to look like in a search engine results page. In other words, if you put in a search for 16 by 20 by 1 MERV 13 filters, when your listing comes up, it'll show the URL, and then it will also show the description, or this is called the meta description. Basically, it's a description of what you're getting ready to click on. So let's go through some other things. If you want this to be active on the website, you put it in active, otherwise a draft will not show up on your website while you're working on it. I'm going to make it active right now. So Shopify has what are called standard types, and this basically integrates with Google's taxonomy for standardized product types. So this would be an air conditioner filter or a furnace filter. So I could put in either one and see what they have as standard types and choose that. And that just makes it a little easier for it to be found when you're searching for it on search engines, for instance. So I'm going to choose to enter a brand name on this one. And then for collections, you can add it to a collection manually, but I usually do collections. It automatically goes in based on something like either a tag or, and you can just type in your tag. Tags are case sensitive. I happen to have some in here, but tags can be used to filter products or to put products into collections, and so can vendor, and so can types. So those are some things you're going to want. We're going to use the default product template on this one, but we'll show you later on how to use different templates, maybe for different items. So you can create templates and have different things display on the web page. But let's go ahead and save this. And then one more thing we want to do is we're going to take the title text. That's what I usually take. And we're going to add what's called alt text. And this alt text, it's over here on the right in the image. It just tells search engines what this product is. And we'll just go ahead and save that. And we can go to our next image just by clicking this arrow and add the same alt text for that. So we can even change this based on the image. We may say side view or something of a MERV 13 filter. So you click that X and close it out. So now you have your alt text on your images as well. And let's preview what this looks like on the website now. So this is our title. This is the description that we added right here. These are our images right here and here. And then over here, this is the price that you're selling it for, and this is the compare at price. This is the price that maybe so it kind of shows that this is a sale price. This is a normal price, and this is the price you're selling it for. That's basically all you need to do to create a product on Shopify. In my next videos, I'm going to show you how to connect these products to navigation menus and how to put them into collections on another video as well. So the first thing I'll do is start creating some collections, and you can check out my next video on adding products to collections in Shopify. And the way that we're going to do that is automatic. So they're called smart collections. So it goes based on certain conditions. It will automatically add those products to a collection. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.